In 1999, I want to get the base model iQOO Z10 Turbo Pro. Many friends also asked me to look at the gaming performance of this phone. Okay, today I'm going to arrange that for you. First, let's take a look at the appearance and configuration. As for the screen, it is 6.78 inches with a 144 Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 2800 by 1260 with a plastic frame and plastic back cover. Let's see. It stands up again. My color variant is called Burn. In terms of performance, it's equipped with a Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 processor. Mine is 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage, has a 7000 mAh battery, and 120 watts charging. In performance mode, I scored 2 million points, directly surpassing 73% of users. In terms of gaming, HDR Extreme Smooth at 90, I tested Smooth at 90, then we enable performance mode and set the touch response rate to the maximum. The room temperature is 25.2 degrees and the battery is 86. Let's start directly. Okay, we go straight into the game, wait for the frame rate to stabilize a bit. Once it hits 90, we'll record it, no problem, mark it directly. This flight path, very good. Let's start with a small theme song as we enter the game. I'll move a bit around the starting point, it's quite responsive. Let's see how it performs during the game. Okay, just now the frame rate fluctuated around 77 frames at the starting point. These are normal phenomena, no problem. We're opening the parachute directly and it momentarily hits 76 frames. Passing through the clouds, it went down to 64 frames, 77 frames, okay, 83 frames, 71 frames, alright. Oh no, there are people down there, can't go there guys, 81, let me see how many, 30 people, oh, 69 frames at landing, 30 people, alright, okay, 52 frames, huh, 47, what's going on, 53, wait, huh, 31, no way, I didn't mess up, right, there's someone here guys. Did you hear footsteps? 73 frames, the frame rate is a bit off. Hey, did that guy see me or not? Okay, moved quietly, got him with 8 shots. Look, over 40 frames, I'm done for guys. Hey, that idiot. The frame rate isn't very strong. Currently, with 11 people, the frame rate seems to have slightly recovered. Just now, that round ended. I'll start another one. This route is okay, no problems either. Looking at the starting point, it's steady at 90, no problem. It seems the frame rate started dropping right after. There are 30 people again, and the frame rate dropped directly to 50, which is okay. Still 30 people, let's check, still 30. I went down directly. This low frame rate isn't helpful. It affects performance, it must be said. Here it comes, let's go. No good. When there are too many people, it's still not stable. Guys, it's happening again. Affecting performance. In this round, I see there are still about 11 people left, and the low frame rate is okay at over 80 frames. It's manageable with around 10 people, no problem. Footsteps, they're coming. Okay, not playing anymore. Just one game. We'll play for 12 minutes. Once the game is over, the phone is at 47.6 degrees and the battery remains at 82%, consuming 4%. Let's take a look at the frame rate chart, brothers. We played this for about 13 minutes in total. This starting point, it's fine. Once landing with around 30 people, this isn't performing well. I see it dropping below 60 frames at the lowest. Didn't this game end? Ended, and we're back on the plane. Hey, it's nice. Landing again with 30 people, and this directly brings me down below 30 again. Then, didn't this game end? Back on the plane. It stabilizes, and then after landing, in the case of about a dozen people, it went over 80 frames. So as of now, if you're using this phone to play a battle royale game, you should try to go to places with fewer people, because when there are about 30 people, the frame rate is not very stable.